Let's begin with the easiest scenario, other customers. First, I choose my template. No necessary conditions is required at this step. For these orders, I wish to offer 5% off a second purchase. I indicate the properties of the coupon I want to generate. I am leaving the default parameters. A summary of the operations that will take place for this scenario is provided. Since it is as per my liking, I will name it and click Save. I am repeating the same process for the new customer scenario. Except for this one, I am adding certain conditions. As for me, a new customer is a client for whom the total number of order is equal to 1 and the customer has been registered for less than 30 days. I indicate the properties of the coupon to generate for each new customers. I am now personalizing the messages that the new customers will see when they are on the Thank You page. By the same logic, I create a scenario for my loyal customers. My scenarios are complete now. Now I will manage prioritization of my scenarios. The other customer's scenario, as it has no restrictions, I put it at the bottom of the list. So this scenario will be used only if the new customer and loyal customer scenarios do not match in order. I am now activating the totality of the scenarios. The module is ready.